Welcome to the world of welding and technology. Most manufacturing and fabrication industries require a different type capacity welding and cutting machines and consumables. Identifying at a very early stage the ever-increasing demand for technologically advanced welding and cutting machines, we launched Mgs Technologies in the year 2006 to continuously help industries with right supplies. Domestic industries need welding machines, gas cutting machines and regulators, SS tube welding and cutting, along with accessories like welding fume extraction, manual and robotic system, etc. We built a team that studied the industry needs, technological advances, and manufacturers of quality products that are recognized for world-class post-sale support. We build strong relationships with brands like Megatronic, Nederman, ITW, OCW, Orbital, Fixto, TAG, Dinsei, and GCE gradually. We sincerely thank our 1400 plus customers from all over Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Goa for recognizing us as most preferred suppliers. Their confidence in us is helping us add more and more product brands that help us meet needs of nationwide users. Our team of 9 qualified, highly trained and skilled support engineers is ever ready to help clients around the clock. We invite you to visit us, have a facility tour and meet our technical support team and few local customers. Finding it interesting? Let's get connected at 98197 87317 or drop an email at sales.mgstechnologies@gmail.com. Sales and service location: Mumbai, Pune and Nagpur.